Hello, sweet tooths. Today, we're whipping up a delicious chocolate cake that'll make your taste buds dance. This easy to follow step-by-step cooking tutorial will guide you through the process. Firstly, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan and set it aside. Let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need -1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, -3/4 cup of cocoa powder to 1 teaspoon of baking soda, -1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, beaten to 1 cup of milk, -1/2 cup of vegetable oil or melted butter or a mix of both, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Now, let's start mixing. In a large bowl, combine the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Blend these together with a whisk or spoon until well mixed. Next, add the beaten eggs, milk, oil or butter or both, and vanilla extract to the bowl. Whisk everything together until it forms a smooth batter. Pour this batter into your prepared cake pan and bake it for about 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Check on it after about 25 minutes to see if it needs more time in the oven. Once an inserted toothpick comes out clean from the center of the cake, you know it's ready. Let the cake cool before removing it from the pan and serving up a slice for yourself or someone special. And there you have it, a tasty chocolate cake made from scratch that everyone will love. Thank you for joining me today in this sweet journey. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time.